Well, here we are with another box for product review. In this case, I know what it is because it says here, HOVERAir. This is a drone that I've been looking for a while. And this is gonna maybe replace or complement a Sky Video that I already have. So let's see what we got. So let's see. In the box is the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX, which is the actual drone. There's the combo, which is the drone, an easy carry bag, USB cable, documents, charging hub, smart battery, a power adapter, and a combo case. There's also, according to this, I don't remember if I ordered this one or which one. I think I ordered the skiing combo. It has the beacon, but let's take a look. Let's go from small to big. This obviously know what it is. This is the battery, or one of the batteries, which is a box with another box. Safety instructions. I don't know if I can even read this. Very small type. So I've been watching videos about this, and this is the joystick bundle. This basically lets you control the drone manually, similar to other drones that are much bigger. Let's see here. This is the actual screen. Let's see if it's charged. I remember this one turns it on here. Oh, you have to attach it to a battery, I guess. This is one of the sides of it. It fits right there. I think we have recycling here tomorrow morning, so I can get rid of all these boxes and plastic. So what is this? Oh, this is a magnetic clip, so you can put the screen on your bicycle, even your car maybe, I don't know. This is a magnetic adapter mount. So this is for skiing, I guess, because it has this kind of attachment like a GoPro or similar. So that's it. Oh, here are the controls, I guess. Let me read some. Oh, here's the other side of it. Oh yeah, these are the little pins for the controls. They either screw in or push in. Let me see. Or maybe they are these ones. Let me see. Okay, I'll read the instructions later. This one you can bend. You can attach the phone and use it as a controller too. There's a lot of instructions here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to read. There's a lot of tutorials on the website. A little cloth to clean the screen. The USB-C. Oh no, this is a magnetic charger that goes somewhere here. I saw it before. It goes. Oh, that might be for the battery charger. So let's keep opening the stuff here. Very nice box. And here it is. This is a sample of the protection gear that goes around the drone, and it says try to tear it up or break it. I mean, I'm not gonna do that, but they put in that challenge there. It's because they're pretty sure that it won't break, but I'm not gonna try my luck there. Another USB-C wire. Super cool stickers, so you can personalize it like for skiing. Oh, this is a nice little touch, I have to say. I'm gonna keep this one here on the side. More instructions. So this is a quick guide in many different languages. I think I can read this one. The type is a little bigger. Guarantee card, battery safety instructions. I think I saw that before. Disclaimers and all that kind of thing that it's there but nobody reads ever, including me. So 2 more instructions again. This is the charger, the adapter. So here's the other battery. Adapters for the old phone, the USB-C. It has a little strap, USB-C cable to charge. And here it comes with this battery already in, and I don't think it's charged. Let's see one of the others. I have 3 batteries now. So first task, charge the batteries. So we're gonna do that. And I believe I read before that it takes about 45 minutes to charge. The lights are blinking, so we're gonna wait for it. So while the batteries are charging, I turn this on, and let's start the setup. English. It's searching. Oh, it's not gonna work because obviously the drone doesn't have a battery, so we're gonna have to wait for that process to complete. We'll be back then. As you can see, separates. It can be attached in this platform that has a clip, so you can take it on a bike or something else. Really well designed. And I'm gonna figure out how to put this on. So I charged the beacon with the screen now. The battery is charged too. So we can disconnect all these. And we're gonna keep doing this unboxing and setup tomorrow morning. So yesterday I did all the charging for the batteries. So for the screen, which you turn on here on the side, there it is, vibrates a little bit. So now you have to turn this one on to 100%.
Battery current mode, hover. Please download the mobile app to connect and activate the device.
Okay, so let's do that. I can start putting it together, I guess. Okay, we downloaded the app. New feature is now alive. I don't want notifications. Build on lifestyle. Allow what using the app. Tap to connect. Continue. Activation successful, it says here. So now, apparently there's an update. Oh, it says it's locked. Okay, unlock, update, retry update. Okay, so the update was successful. Everything is up now. Beacon update, joystick update. It looks like we are ready. Activation successful. Okay, this is a new user tutorial, so that's me. Position the camera towards your face. Okay. Short press to take off. Okay. Maybe let's see if I can do it indoors. I think you can do it indoors.
The device will hover after completing the flight path. Please hold out your hand and place it 1 foot below the device, and wait for the device to land on your palm. Continue. Hover.
Okay, it hit the landed, hard landed, I guess. I wanna go outside. So here it is. It says to put it facing your face and then press short.
The device will hover after completing the flight path. Please hold out your hand and place it 1 foot below the device, and wait for the device to land on your palm. Continue. Hover.
So it landed safely on my hand, so I completed my first little test. I'm gonna keep playing with it. So now it's activated. It's on. And I guess I can start flying. Let me see. Well, not yet. I have to figure out what to do next. Let me play with it a little bit here. Waiting to take off, it says.
Ski mode. Dolly track. Bird eye. Orbit.
Let's try that without the app and see what happens.
5 feet. Orbit.
So there's another demonstration, another mode. I'm gonna get the bicycle and go out with it because it has a follow mode. So here we are in a Colorado ski resort. We're gonna do the first test with the hover drone. We tried yesterday with the manual mode. Let me close this up. So let's see. Here's the beacon. Oh, I don't need this part. Let me put it away. Turn them on, both.
Current mode. Hover. Orbit. Bird eye. Dolly track. Ski mode.
Ski mode, that's what we want. And I think we are connected. Everything is here. So my friend here, Roberto, is gonna take the beacon, put it in his pocket, and
All right.
yeah, it's supposed to be fine.
All right.
Okay, it's on, and now let's see if it flies.
Middle. Ski mode. Please hold the device to face the user.
So as you can see in the video, we had a successful takeoff. It started to follow right away. It took a bit of a distance there, as you can see, and then the turns are a little bit sharp. I mean, like too much movement maybe. Maybe Roberto is going too fast. Maybe we have to set it up at a lower height. I'm gonna check that on the app, but if somebody has an answer for that, let me know in the comments. And then right about here, where the slope flattens a little bit, the drone stopped following, maybe lost connection with the beacon. And then for about 15 minutes, we were trying to look at it, and I still had connection with the beacon, which told me that the drone was nearby or within reach. Then after about 10 minutes, obviously the battery started to die. In cold weather, they drain faster. And then at some point, I was almost certain that I have lost it because I lost connection with the beacon and the drone. And then Roberto went down and came back on the lift. And then I went there. You see me flying there on the side. That was me. I waited at the bottom of the slope, looked for it around there, but as you can see here, it just stayed right in the middle of the run. It stayed there again like 10-15 minutes maybe until the battery died. And when Roberto came back around, he started looking on the sides of the tracks here, thinking that it might have lost track over there, but in fact it was right in the middle of the track. So this was our first flight with the hover. We're gonna keep trying other modes, maybe different heights, and maybe Roberto can go a little bit slower so the hover doesn't lose him that fast. He's a really good skier. So stay tuned for our next try with this amazing little drone here in El Colorado in Chile.